Hey, welcome to this quiz preview. I'm glad you're watching. This should help a lot. So this is a sample question. We're trying to write the equation of the tangent line to the graph of y equals tangent x plus 3 at pi over 4, and then use that to approximate the value of tangent of 0.9 plus 3. 0.9 is close to pi over 4. You can check that out with a calculator. Anyhow, notice that all the answers and your choices are very close together. That's just so I know you're doing all the work really. Because if you notice, if you take your calculator out and type in tangent of 0.9 plus 3, like this, tangent of 0.9 plus 3, you will get the answer 4.260, which, amazingly enough, is right here. But guess what? That's not the answer to this question. That's exactly what the tangent of 0.9 plus 3 is. That's not what we're looking for. We're trying to figure out what the tangent line approximates it to be. So to get the correct answer, you actually have to find the equation of the tangent line. So we're going to do that right now. The f of pi over 4 is equal to tangent of pi over 4 plus 3. Tangent of pi over 4 is equal to 1, so this is 1 plus 3, so that's 4. That's the one thing we need for the tangent line. The next is f prime of pi over 4. F prime of x is the derivative of tangent, which is secant squared, plus derivative of 3, which is 0. So f prime of pi over 4 is the secant of pi over 4 quantity squared. Secant of pi over 4 is the reciprocal of cosine of pi over 4, which is root 2 over 2. So this is 2 over root 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Root 2 squared is 2. That equals 2. So the equation of my tangent line is y happen again, y minus f of pi over 4 equals the slope, the derivative, 2 times x minus pi over 4. So now we can answer the question since we have the equation of the tangent line. To approximate this, instead of putting x equals 0.9 into the actual equation, we put x equals 0.9 into our x and our tangent line. So grab the calculator again and type in what y would be. So I'm going to type it 2 times, see this x? We're using x equals 0.9 minus pi over 4. And then we have to add this 4 right here, over here. So plus, after I close my parentheses, plus 4. And that's going to be what y equals on our tangent line, which is what we're looking for. You can see that's 4.229, which is great because I see that answer right here. The correct answer on this one is choice C. So that should help you out with the quiz. Should be easy for you. If you have any questions, as always, ask.